Welcome to all of you, dear students. In our previous session, we studied about the contact forces and their type, that is gravitational, muscular force and friction force. In this video, we will discuss on non-contact force, the type of non-contact force. As you know that non-contact force are those force in which there is no contact between two objects. If there is no contact between two objects, then this force is known as non-contact force. So, on behalf of this, we further proceed the types of non-contact force. So, there are three types of non-contact force. First one is magnetic force. All of you are familiar with magnet. Magnet has two poles, that is north pole and south pole. This kind of bar magnet, here north pole and here south pole. So, if this bar magnet attract small iron pieces or any other magnetic substances, then there is, suppose this is iron needle, and if I try to take this iron needle near to the magnet, if there is no contact between these two objects, but also this magnet attract the iron piece. So this is an example of non-contact force. Here we try to understand the definition of magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet on another magnet or magnetic material without being in contact with it is called magnetic force. If the force exerted by a magnet on another magnet or magnetic material is called magnetic force. If the force between two magnets or the force between two magnets and one magnetic material or magnetic needle or magnetic iron, so whatever, if there is a force of attraction or repulsion. For example, attraction or repulsion of two magnets. Suppose first magnet is placed here and another magnet is also placed here. If there is north pole also, then these two magnets repel each other. What is the meaning of repel? दोनों मैग्नेट एक दूसरे को दूर दूर फेंकेंगे. जब आप दोनों मैग्नेट को, जैसे दो मैग्नेट हैं, मैं इन दोनों मैग्नेट को, इधर भी नॉर्थ पोल है इधर भी नॉर्थ है, दोनों को मैं पास में लेके आ रहा हूँ तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे को दूर करेगी, कभी भी मिलेगी नहीं. बिकॉज द फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन दोनों को दूर दूर फेंकेगा, पास में नहीं आएगा. सपोज हियर नॉर्थ पोल एंड हियर साउथ पोल, देन दिस अट्रैक्ट. सपोज if there is north pole and another magnet having south pole here, north pole here, then attract. this magnet attract towards this magnet. There is attraction. There is attraction between two magnets, and there is repulsion between these two magnets. So this is the magnetic force or non-contact force. Write down this definition, diagram, example in your notebook copy. So this is second types of electrostatic force. What is electrostatic force? The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. First of all, you try to understand what is charged body and what is uncharged body. Suppose I have this pen, and if I rub this pen on my hair, if I rub this pen on my hair, and if there is some small paper pieces, and after rubbing this pen, and if this pen close to the small paper pieces, then it will try to attract these small pieces of paper, so it shows electrostatic force. How this pen shows electrostatic force? Because when I rubbed this pen, it become charged, or it is charged body, and small paper pieces is uncharged. So if I take this pen towards the paper pieces, it will attract. So if there is attraction between pen, or in place of pen we can take comb also. So there is attraction between these two things. So we can say that this is the electrostatic force. Example, attraction between piece of paper and comb. This is all about electrostatic force. Write down. So this is third non-contact force, that is gravitational force. All of you are familiar about the gravitational force. Suppose I have one chalk in my hand, and if I release this chalk from a particular height, at that point this chalk is at rest condition, and if I release this chalk, then it attract towards the earth. Why this chalk attract towards the earth? Anyone? Because gravitational force, or we can say that it attract towards earth due to gravity. What I am saying? The chalk attract towards earth due to gravity. Gravity. Okay? So, what is the definition of gravitational force? Every object in the universe, small or large, छोटी से छोटी वस्तु भी हो सकती है या बड़ी से बड़ी वस्तु भी हो सकती है। स्मॉल और लार्ज exert a force of attraction on every other object, एक दूसरे के ऊपर क्या करते हैं, फोर्स लगाते हैं। दिस फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, कौन सा फोर्स? अट्रैक्शन फोर्स। अट्रैक्शन मतलब अपनी ओर खींचना, आकर्षित करना, इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। फॉर एग्जांपल, अर्थ अट्रैक्ट एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स इट व्हेन इट थ्रो इन ओपन स्काई। Every object, if I throw on sky, after achieve a certain height, just becomes pull towards the earth or return to the ground. So this is due to gravity. This is the gravitational force or gravity of the earth. Due to gravity, every object returns to the ground. So this is all about gravitational force. Gravitational force is always attractive force. Remember this point. Gravitational force is always attractive, but electrostatic force is attractive as well as repulsive. Magnetic force is also attractive as well as repulsive, but only gravitational force always attractive in nature. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैंने चॉक फेंकी और ये नीचे आने के बजाय वापस ऊपर चली गई। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। नोट डाउन ऑल द थिंग्स एंड कंप्लीट योर फेयर कॉपी। योर फेयर कॉपी मस्ट इंक्लूड 120 pages. So make your note, own note, or this is the main content, and after doing this we will start our exercise one by one questions, objective questions, true and false, fill in the blanks, one word question, and all the things. So first of all, you have to make note on your copy systematically. आप सिस्टमेटिकली से अपनी कॉपी में लिखिए और उसके बाद हम इसे चेक करें। I write some assignment question. So this is your homework question. First, define the term force and write their SI unit. Second question, write the effect of force on any object. Question number third, write the difference between contact and non-contact forces. And question number 4, what is gravity of Earth? These are 4 questions. So you will write these 4 questions in your homework copy, and before this topic, all the things whatever I taught here, you will write down in your fair copy systematically and learn everything whatever teach here. Okay, after this session, after this we will start pressure in our next video. So take care and well study.